Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly, and I am happy to do this video because Bitcoin has crashed through 12,000, and that is an awesome milestone because if you think about where we've come, January Bitcoin was around $980,000, somewhere around there. Think about that. It was around $1,000. And here we are, December 5th. What are we, December 5th right now? And it's at 12,000. It hit 12,000. That is amazing. There is no kind of return that I've seen that does that kind of work. That's just amazing. So I'm gonna click on the 1 day chart real quick and show you kind of where it hit over the 12,000 mark. We were right about here. Okay, so it hit 1349 UTC, and I think that's 8 hours before me. Yeah, so because I'm on Pacific Standard Time, so I was still asleep, and that's why I love cryptocurrency, is because I am making um, passive income in this space. So I wake up every day and I just check to see my investments and see how much money I made while I was sleeping. So with this video, I wanted to just share with you the different ways, the multiple ways, variety of ways that you can make money in this space. So I have different sites up here that are going to give me an idea and give you an idea of how you can make money in this space. So I have this, of course, here. CoinMarketCap is our research base where we start everything in terms of our research and to see if a coin that we're thinking about getting into is going to be a coin that we should get into. So we start with CoinMarketCap. And by the way, I'm doing this whole week, I'm doing free 30-minute sessions with people, and I'm teaching them about one of these specific ways to make money. All right. So now let's get off into it. So Electronium represents one of the ICOs. Now, ICOs are coins that have not gone through the vetting process that puts them on this list of 1,325 coins. All right. They're new, they're going to be coming onto the market, and they have not gone through the approval process to get on this list. So let me just back up real quick and so we have our list. Of course, Bitcoin is number one, Ethereum is number two. IOTA just took over Ripple and became number four. So anyway, this is the list. These are all the coins that have said, okay, this is my technology. This is what I'm going to do. This is the team behind me, and this is the whole purpose of our coin. And they've gone through the steps to get listed on an exchange. This is an example of an exchange, and that's the second way I make money. So anyway, Electronium is what's called an ICO. And that means that they were coming out and saying, hey, we're going to come out and we want to be listed on we want to be listed in the CoinMarketCap list. All right. So I believed in them early and I said, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of money in that. Now, the beauty of ICOs, which this represents, is that you can come in and put in $50, $100, $300, however much you want to put in. You can put as little as you want. I think 50 probably is about the norm. You can put as little as you want until how much you want to go for it. And the idea is you're going to be able to get it for 20 cents or 15 cents or 2 cents. And then when it finally comes and hits the market, the list, it's going to be worth, $20 or $10 or whatever. So you're going to make a huge return. So that's the benefit of making money with ICOs. All right. So I'm waiting for the Electroniums to hit. As a matter of fact, it did go through the process. And from the point of ICO, it is now officially a coin on this site. The symbol is ETN. And it is currently at 9 cents right now. So I'm very happy with that because I think I got in when it was, I don't know, 10 cents or less, something like that. So I'm pretty happy with that. So this is going to be one that I'm gonna hold for a little while, and then when I cash out, I'm going to make some good money on it. So that represents one way that I get paid in the cryptocurrency space. This represents the other way that I get paid. This is what's called an exchange or a marketplace. What I call it when I'm explaining it to people, I say, when you go to the store, you want to buy you a pair of shoes, you're going to go to Macy's, that's the shoe store you're going to, or you're going to go to Nordstrom's, that's the shoe store you're going to. So I call these coin stores. So Cryptopia is one, Bitrix is another, Poloniex is another. There's quite a few different coin stores that you can go get a coin from. And so what I do is after I research a coin, for instance, I'll come here, I'll go ahead and I'll check out the chart, look, kind of get a visual of where it's going, where it was, where it is, and then I go to the market. And when I click on that, it tells me exactly what store that coin is listed in. So then I go to that store. Okay. So I click here just so you can see. I want to show you the process that I do. And then right here, it takes me directly to it. All right. So that's how you get to it, that particular site for that particular coin, once you've done your research on it. And then you go here and you are going to open up an account at this coin store. And after you open up an account at this coin store, very easy process, you're going to transfer Bitcoins from your Coinbase app on your phone. You're going to transfer here. So once you're here, you're going to log in. And then you're going to look for the deposit button, and then you're going to, a QR code is going to pop up. You take that, your cell phone, and you open Coinbase and you scan the QR code, and then you say, okay, I'm going to send $100 to the coin store, and it's just going to sit there until you're ready to buy whatever you're going to buy. Okay. All right, cool. So once I get my money sitting into the coin store, then I can start buying whatever coins I want to buy, and I can trade those coins. So if I get one that's at 2 cents or whatever I want to get, let me take this back real quick. For instance, if I wanted to trade this coin and I didn't own it already, I could say, okay, I'm gonna buy it when it's 9 cents, and then I'm gonna turn around and sell it when it's 30 cents. Okay, boom, that's cryptocurrency trading right there. And as a matter of fact, this coin was 3 cents about a week ago. So anybody who was trading this coin, they've tripled their money in a week. So that's an example of a second way of making money. So ICOs is first, cryptocurrency trading is second. The other tab over here is my Coinbase. Now, this to me is a visual representation for what's called hodling, HODL. And that is a crypto term for holding because somebody spelled it wrong a long time ago. Sorry. Somebody spelled it wrong long time ago, and that term just kind of stuck. So it's a term specifically for holding any kind of cryptocurrency. Never sell, just holding. So this represents the idea, the other way of make money, of just holding Bitcoin or holding whatever coin I want to hold. So I sit it here, but I also sit it in other places. I have wallets. You can have an online wallet. You can have an offline wallet. You can have cold storage. There's different ways to hold your coins. And so just holding it, again, Bitcoin right here is showing on Coinbase is 11,800, and if you had bought at the beginning of the year and just held it, your $1,000 would have turned into 11,800. So that's another way you can make money. And then the other way you can make money is what's called mining. So this is Genesis mining. And with this here, you can buy a contract where you tell the company, hey, I want to get in this creation of Bitcoins. I want to get in it. And I'm just going to go ahead and pay for a mining contract or 10 mining contracts or whatever it is you want to spend. You can spend, I think one of my contracts I bought an Ethereum contract. It was probably like $70, and then I bought a Bitcoin contract, and it's like $130. And basically, once you buy it, the Ethereum contract runs forever. So it's slow because I didn't buy the most expensive one because for me, let me back up and we'll say about myself. I am a gambler. I love going to the casino. That is a pastime for me and my family. Let me keep it real. Hey, y'all, how you doing? Okay, so it's nothing for me to roll down to Pachanga or Valley View or San Manuel. You see, I know the names of them, right? It's enough for me to run down there and drop $100, have a good time, and then come on back home, right? And of course, eat at the buffet because the buffets are off the chain. So I don't have a problem with dropping $100. So again, when I say that I did a mining contract here, I don't have a problem with that because that means I don't have to go. I'm not going to the casino that day. No problem with me. So anyway, I can drop 100 here, 200 here, whatever, and just go ahead and start making money. Because as much fun as I can have at the casino, I'm not going to make the kind of money there with luck than I'm going to make by actually putting my money in researched specific avenues within the cryptocurrency space. All right, cool. So the next one is Bitconnect. This one has been an awesome investment for me. All right. I found out about this a couple months ago, and I have probably doubled my money in it. I think I put in $5,900 in an account, and right now I'm close to 11,000 right now. Okay, all profit. So I love that. You get paid roughly 1% a day. Sometimes it's a little bit more, sometimes it's a little bit less. So some days you might make 0.5%. Other days you might make 1.8%. But they say roughly 1%. Okay, but I make it in cash. So I could take that money, cash it out. Last week I cashed out $100 and I went out for drinks. Had a great time. Another time, 2 weeks ago, I cashed out some money and I paid bills with it. Other time I cashed out and that was my gas money. So that's why I love this investment, because every single day I wake up, boom, how much have I made? Wow, look, it's right there. I ain't got to do a calculation to figure out how much it is, which when I say that because I'm laughing because I'm talking about this next investment. USI Tech. Here's another thing. It's $60 to get it. Oh, here's another one. Let me say this real quick. With Bitconnect, you can start with as little as $100. So again, that's a night at the casino that I'm just not gonna go. Cool, I could throw $100 into this and just see what happens, right? With this one, I can throw in $60, maybe 62, I think is what it is. It's $50 in euro, which, depending upon the day of the US to euro conversion, it might be $60, it might be $58, it might be $62. So let's just say $60. So I can put $60 in to a package, and I can buy 10 packages or I can buy one package. It just doesn't matter, right? And so I put money in this, and this one pays me every single day in Bitcoin, which is awesome, because if it pays you 0.002 Bitcoins, right? And it pays you that and you hold on to that, then in 5 months from now, and I'm just throwing these numbers out there, in 5 months from now, that 0.002 Bitcoin, you're going to multiply that by the price of Bitcoin at that time. Okay, so at that time, Bitcoin is going to be way, way above 12,000, in my opinion. So I like this one because I can get paid in Bitcoin. So this one pays me cash, this one pays me Bitcoin. Love them both. And of course, I love this here because this is one of those in the background make me money type of things. I like this here because I could just take money that I earn from USI Tech. I could take the Bitcoins that I earn from USI Tech and I can plop them into my Coinbase or any other wallet that I have. And I have about 3 or 4 different wallets that I use. Okay. One is Exodus, looks like this down here. That's with the Exodus wallet. And then of course there's blockchain.info. You can get a wallet there. This is what's called an offline wallet, whereas blockchain.info is an online wallet. Of course, they have paper wallets too. And then, of course, this represents cryptocurrency trading. All right. And with trading, you're going to do your research on your coin market cap. You're going to do your research here to investigate to see if any of these coins are going to be good ones to invest in. You buy it low, sell it high. Very, very easy. Okay. And then, of course, this represents ICOs, where you get in and you say, okay, I'm going to do my research on this coin that hasn't proven itself, but I'm willing to throw here I am again, my little $100. I'm willing to throw $100 into that. And let's see what happens. Now, of course, you're not going to win with every ICO. You're not going to win with every coin that's already here. Every coin here has been through the vetting process, but that doesn't mean every coin on here, all 1,325, are going to make you money. No, but you do the best you can based on the research. And as some of you already know, I'm a researcher. So I'm willing to take the time to do the research, check the website, see who's doing the coin, who invented it, what's the purpose of the coin, what's the roadmap, and check out the white paper. I do that kind of research. Okay, so I try to hedge my bet and make an intelligent and informed decision when I put my money, my good casino money, when I put it into cryptocurrency. I want to make as best guess as I can out of 1,325 plus all of the new hundreds of ones that are brand new that haven't made it to this list. So that's what I do. And I'm happy because again, every single day, I have money coming into me that I can plop into any one of these different ways to make more money. And that's the key. You want your money to work for you, because if you are always working for your money and your money is never working for you, then you're going to stay that way till you die. You're always going to be working for money. So you need to figure out a way that you can make your money. Go ahead and work for money for now, but then constantly feed your money into one of these investments so that your money can start working for you. All right, so again, I'm excited because Bitcoin crashed through 12,000, and I'm expecting it to hit something really kind of nice before New Year. So, and I'm already happy even if it doesn't. I'm good, but I'm looking forward to some really good upswing from it. So anyway, with that, y'all have a good one, and I have another appointment with someone at 5 o'clock. So let me get ready for that, so I can teach them how to do this one here and get into cryptocurrency trading. All right, take care, everyone, and be blessed. Bye bye now.